tornado warning remains in effect for north central Saline, west central Pulaski, east central Perry and northern Faulkner counties until 7:30 p.m. Tornado emergency for Maumelle at 7:10 p.m. Storm spotters and National Weather Service meteorologists tracking a confirmed tornado with reports of damage. This potentially deadly tornado was located 5 miles southwest of Lake Maumelle, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. This is a tornado emergency for Maumelle. Take cover now. Locations in or near the path of this tornado include Maumelle, Lake Maumelle, Roland, Pinnacle Mountain, Morgan, Mayflower, Marche, Little Italy, Calarm, Natural Steps, Ferndale. This includes Interstate 40 between mile markers 133 and 145. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. Sunday evening for Arkansas.
But I don't have the video for that either. So